so excited to be back in the kitchen. You guys, I've missed you. But in the meantime, I've been working on some recipes that I know you will love. And today I am making artichokes. Now, I gotta be honest, I've never made artichokes before, but I'm really excited to try this out with you guys. You know I love trying out new stuff. So I have 3 large artichokes here, and the first thing you want to do is make sure your artichokes are washed. Mine are already washed. I washed them, before then. And I'm going to prep them. Now, to prep your artichokes, like y'all, these are like huge artichokes. Anyways, to prep your artichokes, what you want to do is you want to get your knife and you want to cut off a part of the base here. So I'm going to do that. Cut off the excess base, and you want to cut off about 1 inch of the top. Alrighty. I think I need to cut a little more. Ooh. Y'all, I just bought some new knives. I should have used them in this video. Okay, you guys, so once you've gotten your artichokes all prepped and ready, you want to get some chicken broth, and you want to measure out 1.5 cups. I'm going to use the same measuring cup twice, so first I'll do my cup, and then I'll let you know. You are going to put your trivet into your Instant Pot. Just got it right there at the bottom, and then you're going to pour in 1 cup and a half into your Instant Pot. And you're going to get a little salt and pepper. You're going to drizzle just a tiny bit over the top of each of your artichokes. You are going to put them into your Instant Pot on top of the trivet, face down. So open side down. Guys, mine are so huge. I don't think I can fit all 3. So, looks like I can only fit 2 of these giant artichokes inside. So I'll be saving this bad boy for a second batch of cooking. And then I am going to cut open my lemon. And I'm going to squeeze fresh lemon juice all over the artichokes. And then I'm going to close my Instant Pot. I'm going to pressure cook on high pressure for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to put it on 5. These are huge. And I'm going to wait for that to heat to pressure, and then once it heats to pressure, I'm going to do a natural release, and we'll go into step 2. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm so excited. I did a quick pressure release for these artichokes. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get them out of the Instant Pot very carefully. Oh, these things are whoppers. Is I'm going to cut these in half, and they are so tender. Oh my goodness. I'm going to cut them in half like so. I'm so tempted to taste it right now, but we have a couple more things we need to do first. So, okay. Now that we've done that, I'm going to get a spoon. Everything is going up in the kitchen right now. I got oven timers. I'm making dinner. I'm making chicken parmesan for dinner tonight. So that's what's going to go along with this. I'm going to dig out, well, maybe cut out. The part that we are cutting out is actually this right here. It's where it's like fuzzy-like and stuff like that. Get your garlic. And you can add as much garlic as per your preference. it, so you see I'm generous with my scoops. Onion powder, Italian blend. Alrighty, and so now that all of my artichokes are stuffed, I'm going to put them into my preheated oven that I heated to 450 degrees for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to put on the butter spread. Okay, you guys, so we have made it to the last step. I'm going to get the artichokes out of the oven. I'm going to put the butter spread. So to make this butter spread, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dish the garlic out of the artichokes that I placed inside now that it's nice and warm. What you hear is the kids in the background. Not sure what they're talking about, but they're enjoying their time together. Alrighty, and so in this butter spread, basically what we're gonna have is some of the leftover Italian seasoning, some of the onion powder, as well as the garlic you just saw me dish out, and of course, butter. I'm gonna just basically mix it all together. Where you headed, Mr. Handsome? Over there to the table to eat your chips? This is what my spread basically looks like. I put about 1.5 tablespoons of butter into the mixture, and now I'm just going to get my other half of my lemon. I'm going to squeeze it on top of the artichoke. Alrighty. And then lastly, I'm going to get my spread, and I'm going to generously portion it out all over each artichoke. Back into the oven for about 4 minutes, and then they will be done. My child loves hiding in the pantry. I don't know why. And there you have it, some amazing artichoke pies. You guys, I can't wait to let these cool so I can dig in. That is good.